Jeff, I come into the daycare and you talk about the box. You don't get it. We're doing the What's in the Box challenge. I got an idea. Let me change the rules up a little bit. We build life-size boxes, okay? And then we put the things inside. I like that. That's pretty good. Okay. Savage. This is where Moose sleeps. Oh, the trash can. No. Then... I just kind of insulted myself right there. I was like a self-roast. Ah! Welcome to the day of... Is it a meat? What are you? I mean, I don't know. Yo, yeah, I'm not sure. Everyone's got their own opinion. A king! Yay! Demonetization. Dirt with money. Oh my god, that's savage. Hashtag savage Skylar. Holy moly. Failed delivery. I open it. Ah, it's Mosino! Oh, no. You guys are weird. You know that? Like, you guys are absolutely crazy. Like, I wouldn't be surprised you'd be the type of people that would start, like, a crazy fan group and then make, like, multiple accounts and, like each other's posts. Welcome to the day of Daycare. Yo, what's up, Moose? How are you guys doing today, man? Yo, Moose showing all the fan love, bro. I appreciate you guys for the crazy fan love. You've been showing your support nonstop. I just want to say thank you so much, man. You guys are the best. Now, let's see what my boys are up to in Minecraft Daycare, bro. Let's see what we got. But first, we gotta watch out for any traps. So let's throw the moose book here in the wall jungle. Here we go, mates. Here we go. Blah! We're currently in the Australian jungle with a wild moose and a wild tiger. And over there, oh, look at that croaky. Look at that thing over there. That's a wild creature. That's a Skylar. Skylar they call her. She's part Brazilian kangaroo and Australian rectangle rhino. You hear that? Look, she's approaching the moose book like it has some kind of crazy abilities, but she doesn't realize it's just moose book. Ow! Who shot me? Get. Hey! Oh, crikey! Look over there! It's a wild Jeff the Hunter. He's looking for the moose in the jungle. He's looking for me. He smells. He can't see. He's legally blind, but he can smell the scent of the wild moose. Oh, it's just you. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, I wanna be on TV. Yeah. Hey, tell you what's going on, Jeff? I thought it was a deer season. Jeff, chill. I'm not a deer, bro. We look the same pretty much, man. We got the same antlers. You know that, right? All right, Jeff. So what do we got today, buddy? What are we doing in the Minecraft Daycare? Wait, where's Messina? And where's Cyclone? And where's Carly? Would you rather? Would you rather what? Be with Skylar or Messina? Neither. I'm out of here. And we'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. I'm just kidding. Okay. I shipped them all to Alaska, by the way. Wait, what? Oh, my God. Anything. Oh, okay. All right. So what's going on? Thank you. Wait, why are you saying thank you? Aren't you? Finally. You guys have problems. You know that? You guys have problems. All right. Ow! Where did this come from? Where did the lava come from? Oh my god. So if you guys don't remember yesterday, we finally found out where Musino was. Here's a little bit of a flashback. Do this one last. Mailed in from Alaska. Failed delivery. I open it. Ah, it's Musino! But as I was saying, he shipped Musino to Alaska. Oh, come on, guys. We just got her back from Alaska. But to be honest, she was pretty crazy, man. She tried to destroy everything possible. So you know what? Good move there. Gotta do what I gotta do. All right. Hashtag Jeff the Moose. Mine failed. Yours worked. They need some more deers for hunting season. You know that it's Moose-ina, right? It's not Deerina or diarrhea. Oh! Okay, so what do we got over here, man? What do we got over here? Would you rather? Ooh, what's a different type of would you rather? Would you rather jump in this hole or jump in this hole? What other hole is there? Wait, what? Wait, hold on. I'm so confused. Ow! Ow! Hold on. Watch. Ow, why is it two holes? It says jump in this hole or jump in this hole. Why? Watch what? Only one option. Ow! Then what's the point of the option? Why even give me an option? This makes no sense at all. Oh my god. Yeah, but because new options. I like this game. Okay. Would you rather kiss Skylar or kiss Musina? Oh! Ha! Do you guys think this is funny? Ha ha ha! I like this one. No! No, you really think this is funny, bro? No, I am not. I am not interessanto at all, okay? Answer! I will not answer that question. Neither. That's the answer. Neither. I don't want any of them, man. I'd rather leave the daycare and never come back to kiss any of you. Yeah, you guys are weird. I don't want any part of you. I'm so scared. What does that have to happen to me, man? What does that have to happen to your boy, Moose, man? Yo, leave a like, subscribe, tap the bell, and come back tomorrow for a brand new Minecraft roleplay video because we post it every single day. We're posting Daycare every single day, man. All right, you know what? I got an idea. I'm gonna act like I'm leaving, and they'll never know. Okay, bye, Moosina. Bye, Jeffina. Bye, Jeff the goat. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Aw. I'm secretly in the daycare. So soon. All right. Now I get an idea. So at every part of daycare, there should be like a secret entrance. I don't like that dude. Wait, are they talking smack behind my back? I like his face. Oh God. Oh wait, what? What is going on? Is this really how they feel about me? What's going on? Don't judge me! No comment. Wait, are they talking behind my back? Are they so serious? I thought we were friends. You know what? I got an idea. I got a surprise. I'm gonna push them into the lava. Yeah! Jeff! Get in the lava! Get in the lava, Skylar! Get in the lava! Ow! Get in the lava! Come on! Ow! This never works. Ha! Ha 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 ha! That's not funny at all. That is not funny at all. Okay? I'm gonna make this be moose-proof. Why? You see? Now, nope! Flip! Dang it, man. Dang it, I thought it was moose-proof. Okay. So what's the next would you rather? Would you rather eat a brick or not eat a brick? How? Do you guys know what would you rather is? Choose. I don't want to eat a brick. So then, what? Why? Why is this an option? This doesn't make any sense at all. Lame. You'd eat a brick? Bet. Do it right now. I triple dog dare you to eat a brick. Do it. Ah! Oh my God, she ate that thing. She ate it. She ate the brick. That's not healthy for you at all. Rah! Oh, and she's shaking the daycare again. Good. Awesome. How about you, Jeff? You try to eat a brick, dude. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. No, not at all. What are you doing? What are you? Hey! Up! Jeff? No! Jeff! He was so young! Oh, and where'd he go? Huh. Hi, Jeff. Nope. Don't try me, Jeff. Don't try me, man. Okay. Would you rather be rich or famous? Ooh, this is tough. Would you rather be rich or famous? Guys, everyone watching this video, by the way, don't forget to comment down below your own answers to the questions, and I'll give you guys a shout out in the next Moose Roleplays video. Sounds good? So everyone right now, go to comment down below in the comment section your own answers, and subscribe and hit the bell. And once we upload it, so pretty much, guys, if you want to see if you're given a shout out in tomorrow's video, all you guys gotta do is look up, go onto your phone, look up YouTube, then type in Moose Roleplays, and go watch tomorrow's video, and you might get a shout out. There we go. All right, so would you rather be rich or famous? This is really tough. What do you guys say? What do you guys say, huh? I'm famous and rich. Jeff, what are you talking about? So, rich or famous? This is kind of tough. Ow! Why? Who thought this was a good idea? Who thought this was going to be a good idea? LOL! I already am that. These guys. No, it's a theoretical question. Would you rather be rich or famous? Huh? Do you want to be, like, rich or... Wait, actually, you know what? I choose rich. But I'm both. Dang it, that's not the point. You're not answering the question. You know what? I would rather be rich. Because when you're rich, you're going to make yourself famous by building really valuable companies that create a lot of value and help people out. Boom! Knowledge! Yeah. Famous is rich. No, it's not. No, it's not true at all, actually. There's a lot of people that are famous, but they're not rich because of their spending sprees. Yeah. Like you, Jeff. You were rich and famous, but you spent all your money on repairing the laboratory. Don't tell me what to do. I'm just kidding, Jeff. Okay, I'm just kidding, man. All right. Would you rather eat spider eye or rotten flesh? I would not eat any of them. Well, actually, you know what? I would rather eat rotten flesh because spider eyes would poison you and it would kill you. Here's what. I want to eat it. What is this, truth or dare? Yeah, ew. Skylar, come here. Eat the rotten flesh. This is your choice. Goodbye. Hey, you said you want to date me and all. You gotta eat this raw flesh. I'd rather jump in this hole. Bet. Ha! Oh, and she's gone. What? Yay! Jeff. Come here, Jeff the Moose. Hey, come here, buddy. Bye, Jeff! And he's forever gone. Oh. Nah. Haha, got him. Awesome. Okay. Anyways, let's see the next question. Would you rather marry Jeffina or Moosina? Jeffina or Moosina? Are you... What? Jeff, how do you even answer that question? They're both crazy. All right? They're both absolutely insane. The worst of the two evils. Marry his wife. Was that... marry his... Oh yeah, Jeff's already married to Jeffina. That's right. But I thought like they have some kind of like weird difficulties. They're married. I know they're married and all, but I don't know. Jeff's got like his own opinion about things. Right, Jeff? It's complicated. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we should bring her back in a new video, dude. Open relationship. Yeah, we should bring her back in another day of daycare, dude. All right. Excuses. All right. So anyways, what do we got next? Moosina's hair. Oh, okay. This is, what? Why is, I'm not gonna question it. I can't choose, man. Jeffina or Moosina? Jeffina's absolutely crazy to the bone. And Moosina is just, she just wants to kill me. I don't know what she wants to do. Yeah. So I'd say, neither. Yes, no. I choose Jeff. I'd rather marry Jeff the Moose. I like bones. What does that mean? Wait, yeah. Are you a dog? Huh? What was that? Sometimes on the weekends. Wait. Jeff the dog? No way! Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come on, Jeff. Give me, buddy, old pal. Give me. There you go. Go fetch. Ah, Jeff, chill. Don't be a savage. Jeff. Come here. Jeff, I got a bone. Jeff, we got a bone, dude. It's the weekend. Come on, Jeff. Yeah, it's the weekend. Come on, buddy. What do you got for me, Jeff? What do you got for me, Jeff? No, get out of here, Jeff. Okay. All right. Oh, and there goes Scarlet throwing bones around. So, would you rather have breakfast or moose milk? Ooh, it's a tough choice. I love me some breakfast, but I do like some moose milk. Do you want some breakfast with some moose milk and some pig? Also a doll. Hey, my name is Brick Booze. I'm half Batman, half rich, and half rapper. I miss Brick Boss. I really do. I'd rather have moose milk because moose milk gives you power, it gives you protein, it gives you all the necessities that breakfast gives you. Moose milk is breakfast. This dude ever speak English? Jeff, no, I don't speak the English, man. What are you talking about? All right. Is that it for all the would you rather questions, dude? Is that all we got? What would you guys choose, though? Would you rather marry Jeffina or Moosina? How about you, Skylar? You got to answer the question, too. Come on, it's for everybody. It's a would you rather. You all got to answer it. Jeffina. I thought you guys were best friends with Moosina. Sorry, I like Moose Book a lot. All right, so, anyways, what do we got next? Typical. God, I hate her so much. Why do you guys hate each other? I mean, like, what's the big deal? Like, she never did anything bad to you, and it's like you guys instantly started hating each other. It makes me so What? Huh? Mad? Oh. Okay. Would you rather blow up the lab or the daycare? The lab? Because it gets you mad. Sorry. Wait. Got it. Bye, Jeff! And he's gone. Poor Jeff. Would you rather sell your cars or never drive again? Oh my god, that's terrifying. Why would you even ask that, dude? I say the daycare. I would rather... man. Why would I not be able to drive again? Like, what would cause me not to be able to drive, though? That's the question. No license? Oh, bro. Dude. Heck yeah, I'd rather not drive again. Dude, you don't need a license to drive. I'll just go in the desert where there's no regulations at all and drive there. I'm pretty sure that's how you get arrested. Don't do that. Don't try this. Don't try this at home. Lol, I call cops on you. What? Come on, Jeff. I'm driving out of your way in the desert. Dude, I would be so down. Put giant off-road wheels on a GoPro out of your way and go, Sky! Makes sense, this dude. All right, Jeff, what's the next would you rather question? I got one for you, Jeff. Would you rather be a teacher or be a teacher in the daycare forever or be a garbage man for the daycare? No, 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 no. Why not? Why not? What's wrong? Huh? Listen, man, you can do anything you want to do, Jeff. You know, as long as you... Garbage man, and I think I steal people's stuff makes rockets and leaves... Wait. Garbage man, and then I steal people's stuff, make a rocket and leave Earth. Random outburst! Hey guys, Stella here, wanting attention. Oh! Why does that happen to her? What is wrong with her? Huh? My daycare! Oh, hi, you're alive. Hi. Dude, that'd be actually pretty cool, man. That'd be pretty dope. Okay, I got a question for you guys. Would you rather be a moose or be a frog? A real animal, though, by the way. Last one, okay. A toad. You want to be a toad or a moose? But, like, frogs are like, they always get eaten alive by things. Like, they like a bird will swoop in, and they'll eat the frog, and then they're really small and stuff. You can't do much. Well, a moose can go explore and do anything he wants, dude. Diss track coming soon. Anyways, I'm a bird, so I can't eat you. But, do people know how to spell anymore? Like, do you guys speak into English, man? Are you guys losing brain cells from too much daycare? Is that what it is? Oh my God, these dudes. Yes! Awesome. All right. Anyways, last would you rather question, and everyone has to answer this one, okay? How about this? Skylar, you ask the would you rather question. Do it. It's your turn to ask it. Okay. Jeff, you want to go first, though? Why don't you think of one? On the spot. Yeah. That's right. Come on, Jeff. You go first, buddy. You go first. I'll make it would you rather as well. Would you rather... Would you rather live in Texas or in the ocean? Ocean. All right. Okay. How about this? Would you rather, okay, would you rather, or, you guys get that? So which one do you guys choose? My ears! Shut it! What? No, I'm not. What? That's the would you rather question. Would you rather, or would you rather, awesome! Well, that solves it. Okay, you guys comment down below. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hairball. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. Come back tomorrow for a brand new Minecraft Daycare video. And buy some MooseCraft at www.moosecraft.com. Bye!